it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I like doing unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you around. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. And I can't wait to get straight into today's box. And today I have my this is the second time I've got this box, subscription box. It's from Natalie Attired. And for those of you who don't know what Natalie Attired is, let me give you the quick rundown so we can get straight into the goodie stuff. Natalie Attired is a styling service. It costs $20. You go online, you will fill out a style profile. You answer all the questions, what you like, what you don't like, your size, on and on. And then you enter all that, and a personal stylist will put together 5 looks for you. You will receive them in the mail. You have 3 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep, and you send back the rest for free. Free shipping both ways. And they also have a little bit of a bonus program, because if you keep 3 items in this box, you'll get a 20% discount. And if you keep all 5, you'll get a 30% discount. And not all the styling services offer that great of a discount. So that's really awesome with them. I will include a link down below if you are new to Natalie Attired and would like to try it for your first time. Click on the link I provide down below. You will get a $25 credit to try for your first time, and I will get a $25 credit on my next box. And I would appreciate that very much, and it would be a win for you and a win for me. So please, if you want to try and you've never tried, click on my link and I would be very appreciative of that. Okay, so with all the business done, let's get straight into, I'm going to open it and show you the packaging. Okay, let me hold it up for you guys. I went ahead and cut the tape on it. This is how it comes. There's a little note from your stylist, and here is the packing slip with all the fun information and the prices. And here is the bundle of clothes. I will pick that up out and show you the bundle real quick. So all my boxes I've been requesting fall items. So let's see what she sent. Oh yeah. Okay, first off, I can see some flannel, definitely fall, so she definitely got my little memo. Looks like a pair of jeans, maybe a sweater, and it looks like something in a burgundy color with a floral on it. Okay guys, so I'm going to get straight into, we're gonna get straight into the try-on, go over the prices, talk about what we liked and what we didn't like. Be right back. Okay guys, let's get straight into the try-on and go over what we thought of each item. Altogether, I received 5 items, and one of them were a pair of jeans, and the other 4 items were top pieces, cardigans, scarves. So we're gonna start with the jeans because I kept the jeans on for all the looks with the tops and the cardigans. These were just black denim, and they were $63 in a size 8, and they are called the skinny leg frayed hem jeans. Now I will hold them up a little closer for you. I don't know quite what I think about them. I like them, and they're very unique. I do not own any jeans like this. Now as you can see, they're traditional fraying. You know, that's been done before. That's normal. There's some whiskering, nothing unique about that. The pockets, some more distressing. From here on up, I already own very similar jeans. Where they come a little bit different is at the bottom here. As you can see, it has a split front right there in the front, and it's also like a frayed hem. And the thing that really I liked about this is it really hit me at the, I'm 5'4", and they hit me, I put some black boots on with them, and I believe they hit my leg perfect. Like they were really made for someone my height. So I'm gonna watch the video. I'm undecided about this, but guys, I am 5'4" for size reference, and if you are looking for this kind of jean, and I thought the black booty really went well with it because it popped off the split. So that's why I paired such a dark booty with it. But yeah, 5'4", if you're that height, these are perfect length for your legs. Okay, and then I paired this first outfit. It came like this. This was a sleeveless tie front floral top, and it came with this long cardigan. They had it paired like this. Now the cardigan is $36 and the top is $34. I will show you the complete look with the cardigan. The cardigan, but this was, I love this material. It's very lightweight. I'm undecided about the shirt. I'll take the shirt separately, but I really did like this cardigan. It does have pockets in the front, as you can see. There's nothing. It is just your basic black cardigan, medium to lightweight cardigan, and I really can't say anything bad about it. This is a sleeveless top, so I felt it against my skin, and it felt very nice. When I edit this video, I will put all the material of what these items are made of, so you guys can know. But whatever it is, it's very soft, and I completely loved it. Now, she knows I like floral, feminine details, and that's why she sent me this top to go with it. Now I'm going to take the cardigan off for a minute to show you the top. The top is very cute, very lightweight, very good layering piece. It does tie in the front, and it does come up kind of tight on my neck, but not real tight. It wasn't uncomfortable. I didn't hate it, and I do love the color. And I think with the cardigan, it looks really good. And on the back, as you can see when I try to turn around and show you the back, it has this beautiful like lace detail. So yeah, this is a very good transitional piece, especially like even if I didn't buy this cardigan, I have other cardigans. But I don't know if it's special enough for me to spend the money on it. So I'm gonna really look back at the video and have to make some decisions. But I thought it was a cute look. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I don't know if I want to invest the money in this right now, but it is very pretty, and it is a feminine detail, and I'm not mad at my stylist because I think she picked something that is a very feminine style. So yeah, so I think she did good, even though I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that. Okay, this is a vest with a scarf, and it did come with the scarf. And I love the scarf all by itself. Like, I didn't even want to put the scarf, as you can see when I'm first trying this on, I just leave it as is, open like this. But let me give you the details about it. This is from Fantasia, and the size is a medium, and this is called a mushroom color. But as you can see, it has these beautiful like little floral designs in the front. And this was $69. Yeah, I liked it. I thought it was kind of cute. Like if it would have been 30 some dollars, I'd have probably kind of kept it because I think it's very unusual. I don't have anything like that. And my stylist said just to pair it with like a basic t-shirt. So that's what I did. It would have probably looked good paired with this color too, because it would have picked up the pink in it. Yeah, I think that would have worked too. Yeah, but $69, yeah. It's really cute though. I mean, I'm not hating on it. I'm hating on the price. That's what I'm hating on. It has a very hippie vibe. You know what I mean? And it's very lightweight, sheer. So it is more. It's just a layering piece, and it's charming, and I liked it, and it's very boho hippie. Yeah, but here was the scarf that went with it, guys. I really like this scarf a lot. I like the little details at the bottom there. But yeah, the scarf goes with this. And I think I paired it when I did the try on. I put the scarf with it. But yeah, that was cute. It's just the only thing I didn't like about that was the price. Okay, and that leaves one more item. And that is your basic good old flannel shirt. Yeah, this was from the company Always and Forever in a size small, and it is a long sleeve plaid shirt. Your basic long sleeve plaid shirt, and this one was $39. So yeah, I've already got shirts like this. I'm not going to invest the money. But I will go over the details with you. I tried to pair it two different ways, or style it, I should say, in the video so you guys could see different ways. The first thing I will tell you about the sleeves, I should say, are roll tab. They have a tab there where you can tie them up if you would choose to have that look. But I think in most of the video I kept them down, but I think there might be a part where I captured, you know, with them with the rolled look. Yeah, I mean, it's a size small. I felt like it fit me. It's a very lightweight flannel. It's a very soft flannel too at that, so that was really nice. Yeah, this is not like a heavy duty flannel like it's going to keep you warm. It's more, you know, to keep the wind off of you kind of thing. Like, that's why I put like just a black cami on underneath it. And then I would probably want to tie it right there at the waist. But yeah, overall a cute look. I'm not going to buy this because it's just, I already have almost exactly this. So I'm just not going to invest in it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in it, I will leave all the details down in the description box down below with the item number, and if you are interested in any of the items you saw, you could request your stylist to send you the items. So yeah, check down in the description box down below. But okay, all together, if I would kept all 5 items with the 30% discount, it would come to $172. They did not give me the total without the discount. I added it up in the bedroom and I didn't write it down, and my memory sucks. I think it was like $260 some, somewhere around there. My stylist name was Jessie, and I'd like to say, Jessie, I'm gonna watch over this video, but overall I think you did a pretty good job. The flannel, yeah, you know, I already have flannel, but you picked out some unique pants. You picked out a unique vest. Just the price was a little high for my taste, but I liked it. It was unique, so I liked the uniqueness of it. And if it would have been like $30 some, I'd probably bought that one. What was the other one? Oh, the black cardigan. I like that, and I did like the sleeveless tie shirt too. So I don't know. And then the jeans, they're very unique too. So overall, I'm gonna go look at the video again. And once again, if you're enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe. Hang out with me. I'm having fun doing these. And until next time, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.